Max, what did you eat for dinner tonight? Are you being silly? Why are you making that face? Is that your camera face? Tom? No, please don't throw that on the floor. Please give it to Mommy.
Back table.
Put it back on the table. You're right. You can put it back on the table.
Back tray.
Back on the tray. That's fine. Thank you.
A tree.
What do you have in front of you to eat?
A cookie. A key. A key. A key. A key.
Are you sticking out your tongue? What are you doing, Max Finn?
You bad. You bad.
What is that in front of you, Max? What's that? What is it? Can you take a spoon? Can you eat that?
Yeah.
Is it good? What is it?
My candy.
It's candy?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, can you take a bite with the spoon, please?